Hello everyone! Today, I will show you how to create a Gmail account. Let's create a Gmail account. Hindi mo kailangan ng computer para gumawa ng Gmail account. Madali kang makakagawa ng isa gamit ang iyong smartphone. Let's get started. Open the Gmail app on your phone. If you don't have it installed, you can download it for free from the Google Play Store. And then tap on the Add Another Account button. Select Google. I-click mo ang Create Account. You'll need to input your first and last name. Enter your birthday and your gender. Choose your Gmail address. Or create your own Gmail address. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Review your account information. You can use this email address to sign in later. After setting up your account, you'll be asked to accept the terms of service. Read through them carefully and tap I agree to continue. Now, go back to your accounts. Congratulations! You have created a new Gmail account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.